live action. Protest intensifies. Shreya is getting us latest. Yes,
they
Shreya.
have gone to Howrah Setu. Now there we saw huge confrontation between the police and the protesters. Water cannon was used, tear gas cells were used for at least a period of 40 minutes. Now after that we saw police have hit the street, and at this time look at the confrontation here. Look how police is running and chasing away the protester. At this point in time, visuals in front of your screen, police is chasing away these protesters continuously. So far tear gas cells is being used, water cannon was used in the Howrah Setu, and when police could not control the mob, they are now chasing away the mob. And remember, these are the mob who were continuously belting stone at the police force. So of course we see that there was a huge confrontation that is going on in MG Road in Kolkata. On one side we see that police is using tear gas cell for the protesters to disperse the crowd. On the other hand, look at how just now a tear gas cell has been fired by, it was the DC. Look, it is the DC who is herself using the tear gas cell to control the mob. So on one hand they're using tear gas cell, on the other hand the protesters are continuously pelting stone at the
Okay, I think we've lost that audio with Shreya, but she was telling us how the officials are continuously firing tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. It's on your screens at the moment. Let me go back to Sabyasachi. Yes, Sabya.
Well, the protesters now are sitting on the road, and the police continuously is making an attempt to speak with these protesters and ask them to go back. See, the large amount of protesters, nearly could be 1,000, close to 1,000 protesters had gathered, and the West Bengal police has successfully removed the protesters here, but still a large amount still remains here. Some of them are sitting on the road, some of them are on the service road, and the Kolkata police, the West Bengal police is still pushing back, trying to push back the protesters even further and clear the road as soon as possible, because the main agenda of the West Bengal police right now is to not let any single one of them to advance from here, because right now from where we are reporting, Satragachi railway station, it is the closest to the Nabanno, because from here it is just 3 kilometers away where the West Bengal Secretariat is. So clearly the situation that we had seen over here, several rounds of tear gas shells being fired, continuous lathi charge by the West Bengal police towards the protesters. Now the protesters are also asking the Calcutta police to allow them to proceed further towards Nabanno, and they have been demanding for the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. So clearly at this particular time we are seeing action from both sides, and earlier there was too much of stone pelting that was going on. Stone was being pelted from inside the Satragachi railway station, from the nearby areas, continuous stone being pelted. See, again the police is asking the protesters to move back, not to gather here. So continuous tussle being could be seen on ground here in Satragachi, where the police is continuously trying to disperse the protesters as soon as possible.
Police there, officials there trying to interact with, talk to the protesters, asking them to back off. Some of them now sitting on the roads, giving warnings, in fact, to the police officials that they are going to continue with their protest. They're being removed from the protest site now. On ground, there's a massive deployment. However, there are some TMC netas who believe this is a picnic-like situation with just a handful of protesters out on the streets who are there to enjoy a cool shower under the water cannons. But on the screens are visuals that will tell you how hundreds of people are protesting. They have hit the streets. There are clashes being reported, tear gas shells being used, water cannons being used. Let's go back to Sabyasachi.
না তোটা নয় একটা বালের ছবি বললাম তো বালের ছবি হ্যাঁ বালের ছবি ক্যামেরা এত জুম আছে ছাড়ো 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 সারা জীবন পড়াই শুরু করতে আমাদের চালাক বাবা এক দাবি বাবা এক দাবি
connect with Sabyasachi, but the confrontation that you saw, the protesters who said that they will not move from there when the police officials approached them to vacate the protest site, the officials and the protesters are clashing as well. That's the report that we are getting. At some places, there's a peaceful interaction happening between the police officers and the protesters. At some places, tear gas shells were used, water cannons were used to disperse the crowd. And on your screens, in fact, are visuals of where the sit-in dharna was happening. Now, the officials talking to the protesters to vacate the site. Sabyasachi.
Well, see on your screen, the IPS rank officer of the West Bengal Police was here asking the protesters, but the protesters also said that they would not leave this area. They would continue their agitation. Continuous tussle being seen between the Calcutta Police and the protesters. The IPS rank officer, in fact, tried to speak to the protesters, asking them to leave the area and head back, but the protesters said that they would not go back. See again, tussle being tussle. They are throwing bottles of water towards the police. See, bottles of water are being thrown towards the police. So still at the service road, large amount of see tear gas shells fired. Tear gas shells fired over here by the police. Tear gas shells being fired by the police because they were continuously throwing bottles of water. Stone being pelted. Stone is being pelted here. Stone is being pelted here. Again, the tussle broke out between the protesters and the Kolkata police. See, stone is being pelted. And in retaliation, the Calcutta police is firing. See, one of the protesters have been injured. This has been the situation since morning. See, tear gas shells fired. Tear gas shells being fired. And meanwhile, one of the protesters have sustained injuries. See, tear gas being again. Stones being pelted from different areas. So clearly, the tussle, you can see the smoke. The tear gas shells being fired here inside the Chhatragachi railway station. See a dramatic situation out here, and meanwhile one of the female protesters have sustained injuries. So clearly very dramatic situation out here. Continuous tear gas shells are being fired by the Calcutta police. In retaliation, tear gas shells are also being fired by the West Bengal police. The protesters are pelting stone. So very dramatic situation. In fact, one of the police personnel also have sustained injuries out here. So clearly the situation is very dramatic that we are reporting from the Chhatragachi railway station.
Dramatic developments taking place at the moment from where Sabyasachi is reporting from the Chhatragachi police railway station, and Sabyasachi there also pointing out how one of the protesters in fact was injured. Before the confrontation broke out, the police officials approached the protesters to vacate the protest site, and multiple visuals in fact on your screens of the measures that are being taken by the police officials to disperse the crowd, to disperse the protesters. There's a lot of political reaction and a blame game happening as well. Just before the protest took place, remember the TMC released a sting video saying that there are miscreants part of the protest who will try to incite violence. One of the protesters, I believe, has been injured. Sabyasachi was getting us that detail. Let's try and go back to him. Yes, Sabyasachi.